This is Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi of course, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue or whatever other color you've got it in, continue button. Then choose whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or simply skip the step. Or perhaps you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can also skip this step. And in here at the final page, you can either personalize the permissions that will be given to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.